Hello, friends, and greetings from GUI, your learning partner for the fundamentals of cloud computing, catering specifically to the cloud environment from one of the most reputed organizations on earth, Microsoft Azure. So, with this, I would like you to welcome to the course. Before we begin, let's see what's the agenda for the training, or basically, what I would be taking you throughout the course. Firstly, we would discuss why all of a sudden so much of noise for using the cloud. We would discuss in detail the use cases and why and how exactly cloud helps you. Then we would see what basically is a cloud environment. Once we are aware of the cloud environment, I would like to take you all through the types of the cloud environment. Say once we are aware about the types of the cloud environment, I would like to take you all through the deployment models available in the cloud. Once we are aware of the deployment models, we would discuss about the types of services which the cloud has to offer to its customers. And then we would be exploring the Azure cloud environment in detail, covering some hands-on sessions as well. So with this, let's begin with a use case scenario. So consider you have moved to an altogether new city or an altogether new place of your dreams. So what's the most basic necessity for a human? It's, as we say, a shelter. Now, once you have moved to your city of dreams and you are looking for a shelter, uh, probably you would have two or three options available at your disposal, which you would consider based on the based on some of the constraints or some of the things you might have in mind. So now the first and the foremost thing would be you would consider buying a house. But what are the things you would need from your end when you consider this option? Buying a house is not an easy task. People save and save for years because it would require an upfront investment to get a house for yourself. But why do we still want to have our own house? Because there are benefits many. So if you have your own house, you will have a place of yourself away from the public, which you can configure and you could decorate or paint as you want. But there's a drawback which I have already talked about. You would require a large amount of investment upfront. Also, just imagine in case you have to move to another city. Maybe you have a fulfilling career over there and you want to change your base. Now, this move of yours would involve a proper planning, and it would also make you fall under a financial risk because you might need to either sell your current house, or you might to or you might need to go for a mortgage against your property or against your you need to provide a collateral so that the bank finances your purchase of a house. So this option puts you into a risk because you might have to repeat the same cycle again. So do we think we have a better option to this? We suppose yes. So sometimes people want to have an option of renting a house. So what are the advantages renting provides, which purchasing or owning your house might not provide to you? So when you want to rent a house, you can either rent a complete house based on their requirement, or you could also rent a room within the house, right? There's also a third case. You could consider renting a hotel, but that's not a very long term solution. It should be kept in mind that usually we rent a hotel only if our requirement is for a very short duration. So now, if you rent a home, you might have to keep the house in order. But if something goes wrong with the building, it is the landlord's task to fix the things. You just need to make him a call, or you just need to drop him an email, and based on that, your requirements would be taken care and the thing would be brought back to order. Similarly, when you rent a room inside a house, the landlord takes care of everything inside the house except your bedroom, where he might not have an entry directly until you allow him. Now, consider the case of a hotel. So, when you rent a room in a hotel, you don't even have choices of your linen. It it depends completely onto the hospitality provider. So, when you rent out a hotel, the hotel just takes care of about everything. So now, the very critical thing to remember considering these three scenarios, whether you buy or rent, is to know what responsibility you will cater to considering either of these three options, right? So, with this use case in mind, let's progress and we would come back to how cloud helps us in taking decisions based on this particular use case. I hope most of you would have understood uh, what I'm trying to achieve via this analogy use case. But yes, for people who have not been very clear about it, it would be clear as and when we progress through the course. So just hold on for some times, and I'm very much sure you would be able to relate to how this buying versus renting option works in the cloud environment. So with this, we are done for the first topic. I would like to discuss what exactly is a cloud environment in our next lessons. Thank you for listening me patiently. Good day.